Hello, this is Math 2270 coming to you from the College of DuPage during the fall of 2020, and the title of this lecture is Low Stakes Assessment Number 2. To provide a context, these low stakes assessments fall into this other category. As you know, we have many opportunities for success. Two high stakes activities will be the midterm proctored exam, which will happen around midterm. That'll be worth 100. The mandatory comprehensive proctored final exam near the end of the term, that will be worth 100. And a bunch of smaller low stakes assessments that will be normalized to 100 points. This is where this activity lives in the grading schema. This low stakes assessment number 2 is due Labor Day, that's September the 7th at 11:30 p.m. I'll read this to you. So coffee is at a temperature of 190 degrees Fahrenheit and it's poured into my cup at 10 a.m. It's being continuously stirred with a plastic spoon and reaches a temperature of 150 degrees after 3 minutes. And you should assume that I was talking on a headset and just letting the coffee sit there. I refuse to drink coffee that is at 110 degrees Fahrenheit or less. How much longer can I talk without drinking and still not toss the coffee? Assume I am talking on my deck and the external temperature is a constant 70 degrees Fahrenheit. A little additional background perhaps. Among Isaac Newton's many contributions to science is the observation that a body at uniform temperature cools at a rate proportional to the difference between its temperature and that of its surroundings. Clearly, this model bears strong analogy to the cave painting problem posed and solved in the first video lecture in this class. So you are going to be using techniques that we have learned and covered. You want to answer this question by doing some modeling, solving the resulting differential equation, and then you answer the question correct to the nearest tenth of a minute. Complete this problem by completing the answer sheet in Blackboard and uploading to Blackboard a single legible PDF of your work by the deadlines to qualify for complete credit. Take-home protocols apply. So Linda, Patty, and Cheryl Martin's troops in the Learning Commons all can help you with this, including me during my office hours, but the work must be your own. So when you have this finished, you will go to the assessment tab in Blackboard. And this was the one that you're submitting by midnight tonight. Or actually, I think it's 11:30 also. This thing tonight is low stakes 1, but this one will be low stakes assessment 2. And this is the coffee cup problem. And that's where you go after hitting the assessment tab. And I do have some options here. It is available to you right now. But you will have a single attempt to do this. So do it right the first time. I'm trying to prepare you for the proctored exams. I do force you to complete this. It has to be completed in one setting. So do not start it and then walk off and have them log you out, because then you can't do it. It is being displayed now as I indicated, and it's going to be displayed till 9/7 at 11:30 p.m. And there is a password because I want you to practice the passwords. So this password is going to be I am ready, because you don't want to sit down and do this until you're ready to input the answer. You can do a lot of work beforehand, but then you sit down to do this. So the password is I am ready. You're asserting that you are in fact ready. And this is what the test looks like. So there's two things in the answer sheet. The first thing is, what is the function t of t equal to? Now, and where that's the temperature and time is in minutes and so on and so forth. What you want to do is think about how you're going to format this, because you will have limitations, And so, that's one of the things that you will need to do. In number 2, it says, answer the question that is posed, and I repeat the question. These are not 10 points. These are whatever I make them. And so that's that. Then you also, for full credit, need to upload a legible, neat PDF. And you upload it. You hit this tab. And let's see, this is a separate, so this is the only place I'm going to look for those PDF uploads. It is available right now. It will be displayed until, gee, I need to change that. I'm going to change that to 9/7. And the due date is going to be 9/7. I will go back and fix that as soon as I'm finished with this video. In closing, now more than ever, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math. It will make you strong. Take care of yourself and of each other.